What's up guys, welcome to AJRs. Today I will helping you how you can add watermarks in your videos. If you are new on my channel, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for more videos. Without further delay, let's get started. First you go to YouTube Studio. And then go to settings. After this go to channel and after go to branding option. Choose image. Image size will be 150 pixel width and 150 height. Open it. Select entire video and save. Go to videos. And your channel watermark is updated now. Get more subscribers. If you love or learn something from this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you.